Right, we're rally crossing and we're on our quali. So let's hope things go better than I've done the rest of the day today, because I've got to be honest, if I was racing I'd have lost about £2-3 million for the cars today. And people say, why do you sim? It's because you can't afford to repair them if you're not brilliant.
The track temperature is falling. It's now 71 Fahrenheit.
Green flag, green flag.
Right, here we go, quali.
Alright man, here comes your first time left.
Quali never goes right for me, so today's just been an utter disaster, I've got to be honest. I've been hit, caught, bumped, everything's just got, if I was in real racing I'd have got out on the pit and been rather annoyed, to be honest. It'd been back to track days. Headbutting helmets.
P5, that lap was at 101.84.
And the Joker. Must remember not to do the Joker first. Now I've got to remember also, you've got to go this side of the Joker.
New fastest lap for Mertens, 59.35.
A lot faster than me.
Checker flag of this time by.
Let's just have a quick look, because I reckon I'm well back on this. Oh bloody hell, I'm last. And we're on the grid, and welcome to Brands Hatch, IRX Racing, Volkswagen Motorsport. Don't forget, don't do the Joker on the first lap.
10 laps, make them count. Get ready. Green, green,
Green, green, green. And we go with the line. Got one on your left. Still there. All clear, all clear. Got one on your left. All clear, all clear.
Oh great. Oh, that's just dandy. Right, that's just dandy.
Okay, Paul, decent start. We can build something from here.
Yeah, I'm not happy. This isn't going to stay here, I'm telling you that now.
Yellow flag.
You've got a slow car on the right. We have a car stopped on the left. We have a car stopped on the right. Go right. Car on your left. Clear on the left. Car on your right. Still there? Hold your line. Good job, man. You're up to bit. Clear on the right. All clear, all clear. Or on your right. Keep left. 3 wide, you're on the left. You're all clear. Clear all around. Go right.
What an absolute balls up.
Yellow flag, caution.
Right, I'm going to take my joker if he doesn't.
You completed the joker lap.
The leader's just done it. 102.02.
Right, that's the joker out of the way and we're
The
safe.
guy ahead has just done it. 1:00.9 seconds. B6. You've just done it. 1:04.66. Your sector 2 time is quick.
Well, we've got a bit battered, but we're not doing too bad.
The car in front has just done a 1:00.6. Sector 1 is 1.2 off the pace. Okay, Paul, the next car is Stanley.
We've got to do better than 6th. I need the points.
You're pulling away. The gap behind is now 3.5. Fastest lap for Mertens, 1:00.1 seconds.
Ooh.
Sector 3 time is fast.
You have a car stopped on the right.
Whoa. There's still time yet, boys, to get where we need to get. Don't ever count us out. Come on.
The car ahead has just done it. 1 minute. We're halfway home. We're okay on fuel. Sector 3 time's okay.
Got to catch these 3 up.
P6. Push, 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 or we'll lose this place.
They're not getting away yet, oh they are.
The gap ahead is now 3.6 seconds. That lap time was 101.05.
Carefully does it.
Sector 1 is 1.4 seconds off the pace. Sector 2 time is okay.
Oh, I'm hoping this don't go well from up here.
That lap was at 101.42. Yellow flag, watch out.
Alright, man, we got one stopped up ahead. Slow car ahead. Got a car stopped ahead. Go left, go right, go left, go right, go right. Two laps to go. We got about 5 laps. Good job, man. You're up to 4. Good job, man.
Was at 101.74.
I can see P3.
Alright, man. White flag. One more lap to go.
That's a new fastest lap for Mertens, 59.80.
We have a car stopped on the right.
Yellow flag, caution. Sector 3 is 0.33, off the pace. The gap behind is now 8.3 seconds. Sector 1 is 0.7, off the pace.
They say you cut the course. You'll have to slow down and give up the time gained. You've got a slow car on the left. Go right.
Gained.
Oh, severely damaged. I've got P2. Look at the state of me.
Nice one, Paul. Great
Checker
drive.
flag this time by. Great job, driver.
Right, we got P2.